Hello friends, today I am sharing some super easy lunchbox recipes that are high in protein, perfect for school or office, even you can enjoy it at home too. These lunches are quick to make, easy to carry, light so that you don't feel sluggish, but still filling and satisfying with no compromise on taste or health. So to solve our daily problem, what should I pack for lunch? I am sharing 5 high protein colorful lunchbox recipes from Monday to Friday. And you will see both veg and non-veg option. So let's get started with our first recipe. Let's kick off the week strong. Monday lunches should be quick, healthy and colorful because what you eat today sets the tone for the rest of the week, right? We are starting Monday with a delicious high protein quinoa pulao. Perfect when you want something filling but still light. Let's begin with quinoa. Quinoa is not a grain, it's a seed and a complete plant protein. I soaked it last night to reduce anti-nutrients and improve mineral absorption, and honestly it also saves so much time in the morning. For other protein, I am using red kidney beans and soya chunks. My rajma is already cooked as part of weekend meal prep and I soaked the soya chunks in hot water last night. So this entire lunch comes together in under 15 minutes. I am also going to use lots of other vegetables. Start with 1 teaspoon of oil in a hot pan. Add cumin seeds, curry leaves and green chili and let them crackle. Now add chopped onions and saute until they turn translucent. At this stage, add as many vegetables you like. I am using bell peppers, broccoli, carrot, beans, green peas and sweet corn. Saute them well. The more colors, the better. Now I add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Next goes the soaked and well-drained quinoa and soya chunks, squeezing out as much water as you can. Add turmeric, chili powder, cumin and coriander powder. Don't forget to add salt. Since my rajma or kidney beans are already cooked, I'll add them last. One thing I really love about this lunch is that it's rich in plant protein, coming from quinoa, rajma and soya chunks. Plant protein naturally comes with fiber and antioxidants. Adding fresh mint at this stage gives the pulao a naturally refreshing aroma, and herbs like mint also support digestion and help the meal feel lighter. Research shows meals like these digest more slowly, which helps you stay full longer and keeps your energy steady without glucose spikes or crashes. So one serving gives you a balanced mix of protein, fiber and complex carbs, a lunch that feels light, satisfying and keeps you productive for the rest of the day. Monday lunches are for resetting after the weekend indulgences while still enjoying your food. Meals like these help reduce bloating, boost energy and gently bring your body back into balance. Now it's Tuesday, when you want something light, easy to carry, but still filling enough to keep you focused. For this wrap, we will start with simple oats chilla, 1 cup of rolled oats, a handful of greens and water. That's it, blended smooth. Adding a pinch of hing for easy digestion and salt to taste. Now make chilla. Oats give slow release energy and greens add iron, fiber and antioxidants, perfect for busy weekdays. Now it's time to make the stuffing. Heat a teaspoon of oil, add your tempering, cumin seeds, green chili, then toss in chopped onions and fry until translucent. Next, add all your spices, then tomato puree and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Because we do smart meal prep on Sundays, this stuffing comes together in minutes. I always cook beans and lentils during my weekend meal prep. Eating beans regularly is shown to help lower cholesterol, support blood sugar control, and improve gut health. Friends, I just realized that I forgot to add salt, so adding it now. Next I am adding 1 cup of my homemade paneer. Store-bought works just as well. This gives a protein boost to our wrap. From this stuffing, the chickpeas, paneer and veggies, you get extra plant protein, fiber, vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. Look at this! Rich, protein-packed and so tempting. You could honestly eat this with roti, paratha or any chilla. These chillas are soft. So here is the trick. Lettuce. It holds everything together, adds crunch and brings extra fiber and freshness. Wrap it up and honestly this looks like something from a cafe. Perfect for work, and trust me, your colleagues will ask where you ordered this from. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone who always struggles with healthy, gluten-free and high-protein lunch ideas. Healthy can be this easy. By Wednesday, most people skip lunch here or grab something random. That's where energy crashes begin. How would you feel if you opened your lunchbox and see a crunchy, juicy burger and a colorful protein-packed sandwich waiting for you? If you prepped these patties on the weekend, morning takes under 10 minutes. Just warm them and assemble. You can easily mash the tofu and the beans together with a potato masher or just blend them in the blender. I just didn't want to wash the blender. For binding, I am using roasted gram flour or besan. Next, feel free to add whatever vegetables you like. I am adding some finely chopped broccoli and onions. Next, add turmeric powder, chili powder and garam masala powder. If you have green chutney, add 1 tablespoon with ginger garlic paste. Rajma and tofu provide plant protein and fiber for fullness. Veggies add vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Satisfying without heaviness. Now wet your palm with little bit of water and shape them into patty, and you can shallow fry or air fry them. That sesame crust isn't just for crunch. It adds healthy fats and minerals that keep this meal satisfying. You can easily make them on the weekend and store it in the fridge. Now I am going to show you 2 easy ways to use these patties. First, the sandwich. I am using sourdough bread with clean, simple ingredients. Spread some green chutney, assemble the sandwich and toast or grill it until it's golden and crunchy. Easy and perfect to pack for lunch. But if you are avoiding bread or prefer a low-carb option, try this, an easy bread-free burger. Same flavor, same satisfaction, just lighter. On days you are craving a fast food style burger, this is a much better replacement. You still get that crunchy, satisfying bite, but with protein from rajma and tofu, fiber from veggies, and healthy fats from sesame seeds. It keeps you full, supports steady energy, and surprisingly, there is no compromise on taste. Look who is excited for burger in lunch today. This is exactly how I help my clients in my health coaching program to lose weight, not by eating less, but by eating smarter, more satisfying meals. If you want personalized guidance and delicious meal plan that exactly fits your lifestyle, you can check my website and contact me through my email. Every detail is given in the description box below. Thursday calls for comfort, but smart comfort. If your kid's lunchbox comes back with half full, try this. I'm using brown rice pasta today. It's gluten-free and easy to digest. This one I buy from Trader Joe's. And today we are making a secretly healthy pasta sauce. It tastes better than the store-bought, but uses only clean everyday ingredients. No preservatives, no weird chemicals. Beetroot gives this sauce that bright color and adds antioxidants and natural sweetness. Did you know the American Heart Association recommends at least 4 to 5 servings of vegetables per day? I try to follow this secret for healthy living in every meal. I'm also adding homemade paneer and cashews to this mixture to make the sauce creamy. Paneer boosts the protein and cashews add natural fat. We don't have to add any extra cream for this sauce. Next comes the spices. This is where the magic happens. Just like store-bought sauces, it's flavorful, tangy and rich. But the best part, your taste bud will think it's the real deal and your body will thank you for the clean ingredients. This sauce stays fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. So once it's ready, weekday lunches become effortless. To make the pasta, add the sauce directly to the pan. No extra oil needed. The cashews already provide healthy fats. You can add your favorite vegetables. I'm adding broccoli here and also some extra protein like paneer or chicken, whatever you like, you can add. Cover and cook until your veggies are tender. Watch now, the sauce is bubbling with vibrant colors and mouth-watering aroma. Toss in the cooked pasta until creamy. Done in just 10 minutes. Ready to enjoy. Look at that texture. Creamy, comforting, but still light. And guess what? 6 colorful flavor-packed veggies plus protein from paneer. Comforting, delicious, and sneaky healthy for your Thursday lunch. This is dangerously good. Honestly, even adults ask for seconds. And finally, it's Friday. Lunch should feel exciting, almost like a reward for the week. If you have been following my meal prep videos, you already know this trick. I keep my proteins marinated for the week and my roti dough ready. But if you are new to this channel, I'll keep the link at the end of this video. This dough is made with whole wheat flour, a little besan and fresh methi leaves. So it's more colorful, flavorful and higher in protein. Add the marinated chicken and cook on medium heat until golden on both sides. While that cooks, roll out your paratha. This is how we save time in the morning. And here comes the fun part, assembling the wrap. Actually, we call it roll. I am from Kolkata. In Kolkata, it is famous as Kathi roll. Where from are you? Do you call it wrap or roll? If you are a vegetarian, replace the chicken with paneer. Okay, this is so good. Tell me, this doesn't feel like a reward if you open this in your lunchbox on a Friday? So today we shared 5 delicious high protein lunchbox recipes. They all are very tasty, but which one is your personal favorite? High protein quinoa veggie pulao, delicious oats wrap, our unique tofu and rajma patty burger and sandwich, creamy high protein pasta with homemade sauce, and rewarding chicken and paneer wrap. You can enjoy delicious food and still works toward your weight loss goals. And that's exactly why my clients enjoy the weight loss program with me. If you want to join my weight loss program, my website is linked below in the description. And if this video helped you to pack your lunchbox easily, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It truly supports this channel more than anything else. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy your delicious lunch.